What is the recommended cooking time and temperature for a 20-pound turkey in the oven?
Hello, passionate home cooks. Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind the perfect roasted turkey, specifically a 20-pound bird, a common sight at family gatherings and holiday meals. You might find yourself wondering, how long should you roast a turkey of this size? What's the perfect temperature? Let's find out together.
The preparation.
Before we dive into the exact cooking time and temperature, there's an important step not to be missed: thawing your turkey. For a 20-pound turkey, you'll need about 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator to completely thaw. Next, consider if you're going to stuff your turkey. If you're planning to, keep in mind that this will affect the overall cooking time.
The perfect temperature.
Now, let's talk about the oven temperature. For turkey, a consistent oven temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, works great. This temperature allows for the turkey to cook evenly without drying out. Always preheat your oven before putting the turkey in.
Calculating the cooking time.
For a turkey that's not stuffed, expect about 15 minutes of cooking time per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So, for a 20-pound turkey, you're looking at about 5 hours in total. If your turkey is stuffed, the cooking time will be longer. Generally, you can plan for an additional 15 to 45 minutes of cook time, depending on the amount and density of your stuffing.
Checking for doneness.
To ensure your turkey is done, use a food thermometer. The turkey is safe to eat once it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Check the temperature in 3 places: the thickest part of the breast, the innermost part of the wing, and the innermost part of the thigh. If all 3 places read 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, your turkey is done. With these tips, you're on your way to roasting the perfect 20-pound turkey. Remember, the key is a consistent temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly 15 minutes per pound of cooking time for an unstuffed bird, and always check for doneness with a food thermometer. Happy cooking, and we hope this guide helps you to confidently tackle your next turkey roasting adventure.